challenges of math education, solving problems through math. It is for our nation. We can surpass all our struggles. We can achieve all our dreams. We can uplift the way of living. We can unite through mathematics. Yeah. Turn around. Every now and then it gets a little bit closer, waiting for us to respond. Turn around. Every now and then it gets a little bit harder and I don't know what to do. Turn around. Bright lights. Every now and then there will be math. Bright lights. Every now and then there will be math. And it all goes math today. Everything is more than ever. Imagine a world without math. Challenges are forever. Mathematics plays a role to everyone. Embodying themes, counting numbers one by one. It's present in every subject in our class. Enumerating many lessons to discuss. When you grow up, math will never leave your way. In paying bills, money budget for the day. So early as now, you should respond to mathematics. Hop, 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 hop. Every youth and every student has problems in math. Complications with solutions that truly make us mad. 'Cause we are living in an arithmetic world where math applies in everyday life. You know it's just a challenge for all of us to surpass. To reach the pinnacle of success. My mind can't deny hardships in my eyes. Challenges are right, problems left behind. Time's running out, answers I have doubt. Really have to shout, now we solve this now. Ding dong, the bells ringing loud. Stare at the door, think of some formulas written, equations given. Theorems open, numbers in them. Are we also prepared for the test? Challenges are next, math for our best. Say math! 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 Now it's time for us to redefine meaning of math. In our lives for us to know a lot. In school and home and community, that math applies in our daily lives. Now you should know challenges in math. You already know we can solve in math. We already know challenges in math. I already know. Math is vital cause we always use it. Progress of forever cause it's always here. Architecture, science, and in various aspects. To have mathematics to be accurate. We are solving equations just to find the answers. It is to be right for the quality we're after. If you were to study every vacant of the day, you will just find out that you're addicted to that. Mathematics is tough, so we need to try it out. Like an ocean that goes deeper, or like water that we need. Rhythm on the inside, music in my ear. Don't worry, cause mathematics is here. Mathematics is tough, so we need to try it out. Like an ocean that goes deeper, or like water that we need. Rhythm on the inside, music in my ear. Don't worry, cause mathematics is here. Do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-dum. Do-do-do-do-do-dum. We need math, math, in our lives. We need some time to learn the math. Education, you can't ignore math. Ooh, you just have to face. Though math isn't easy, it's a part of math and faith. How long must I wait? How much more must I take? Just trust and be patient. No matter how long it takes, I'll break. Papa, 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 papa.
Kanina yan?
Papa, papa. Mathematics is the subject that will teach us how to analyze.